The Book of Psalms, Chapter 80. Give ear, O Shepherd of Yisra'eel, who leads Yosեպh like a flock, who dwells between the kerubəim, shine forth. Before Ephraim, Benjamin, and Manasseh, stir up your might and come and save us. Cause us to turn back, O Elohim, and cause your face to shine, that we might be saved. O YAHUAH Elohim of hosts, how long shall you be wroth against the prayer of your people? You have caused them to eat the bread of tears, and have caused them to drink with tears a third time. You have made us a strife to our neighbors, and our enemies laugh among themselves. Turn us back, O Elohim of hosts, and cause your face to shine, that we might be saved. You brought a vine out of Mitsrayim. You drove out the nations and planted it. You cleared a place for it and caused it to take a deep root, and it filled the land. Hills were covered with its shadow, and the mighty cedars with its twigs. She spread her branches to the sea and her shoots to the river. Why have you broken down her hedges, so that every passerby plucked her fruit? The boar out of the forest ravages it, and the wild beast of the field devours it. Return, we beg you, O Elohim of hosts. Look down from heaven and see, and visit this vine, and the stock which your right hand has planted, and the son whom you made strong for yourself. It is burned with fire, it is cut down. They perish at the rebuke of your face. Let your hand be upon the one at your right hand, upon the son of Adam, whom you made strong for yourself, and we shall not backslide from you. Revive us, and let us call upon your name. Turn us back, O YAHUAH Elohim of hosts, and cause your face to shine, that we might be saved.